If you want to know how to get free traffic from Facebook, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss a video every time I upload one. I publish videos every week and I always create content that is going to help you make a success online. Now, this is video number 9 in a series of 10 videos that I am making to teach you how to get free traffic from Facebook. By free traffic, I mean basically how you can make money using your Facebook account, your Facebook profile. This is a complete strategy that will only work if you implement all the steps. So if you have missed the first videos that are made, please make sure you go and watch them and that you implement all the steps or it will not work. It's simple, but you need to implement all the steps. Now, basically, we are coming to the end of this strategy. I have shown you how to optimize your profile, how to post, how to get engagement, how to grow a following. And I've shown you a few tools that can help you automate some of this process and save a little bit of time. In this video, I want to talk about Facebook groups and really whether you need a Facebook group or not for this strategy to work. Little hint, you don't need a Facebook group, but it will help. So let's go, I'll show you how it works.
So here's what I wanted to show you. Now, for this method to work, you do not need to have a Facebook group. However, if you do have a Facebook group, here is how things are going to happen and how this could help you massively, okay? Now, have a look. I'm just pulling up my profile so I can show you, how I've set it up. So basically, on my profile, I have this banner where, if people, this is encouraging people to join my Facebook group, right? As I showed you in my video number 1, I believe, or number 2, obviously I have a link to my main funnel, which is the main product that I promote. So I do want people to click on there. If they do and they give me their email address, they are in my world, right? However, I also have here a link to my Facebook group. I'm saying get started with affiliate marketing, click the link above, and if they click here, people land in my Facebook group. So the thing is, whatever you're doing online, okay, I'm talking about affiliate marketing, but you may be doing something else online. You may have your own product, right? Or you may have your own service. I don't quite know what you are doing online, but you basically are making money online, offering something and getting paid for it. Now, once you set up a Facebook group, if people join your Facebook group, then obviously, they are even more in your world than they are if they're only on your email list, right? A Facebook group is really quite powerful. In it, you can teach, basically. You can support, you can encourage people, right? You can really build a kind of tribe, a community. Now, my Facebook group is small, but it really does give me the chance to build this little family, right, where we support each other and I can teach people, answer their questions and support them quite specifically. So I would encourage you, maybe not when you're starting out straight away, but once you've got a little bit more experience, I would encourage you to to create a Facebook group. The Facebook group works in, I have a pinned comment a pinned post, that welcomes people and gives them precise steps, right? So I have a welcome video here where I try to be really nice and smiley, and, I'm always genuinely very happy when people join my Facebook group, right? I also have a free guide that teaches, my Facebook group is all about affiliate marketing, how to make a success with affiliate marketing, even when you're a very busy person. So, I have a free guide here that helps people have success with affiliate marketing. I ask them to subscribe to my YouTube channel because obviously a lot of my content is on my YouTube channel, right? Tell them a little bit about the rules, but basically this is the pinned post that welcomes everyone when they come in, okay? And then obviously you can post throughout the week. You can also, give live training inside the Facebook group. For instance, just this week, I had somebody ask a question, so I went live, gave some training, and then the beauty about Facebook group is you can put them. It used to be called units, it's now called guides. I don't know why they changed the name, but the fact is you can then organize your training or your, whatever you want, really. It doesn't have to be video training. It can be PDFs, it can be files, it can be anything. You can organize that in these units, in these guides, right? So, I've put in, the guide 1 is just a welcome video, guide 2 is the affiliate marketing basics, and so on. It's just a few. I'm organizing my content. I'm always trying to improve it, but this is really, really quite a powerful way that you can use Facebook to build a community, basically. So the way I see this fitting into this overall free traffic strategy is, first you optimize your profile, then you add the right people, right? You draw the right people to you. You're helpful in Facebook groups. You post good content on your profile that's going to attract people. And then basically you try to, you either give them your free lead magnet, right? You give them something valuable in exchange for their email address. That way they have joined your email list. And you guide them, if you have the group on top of it, that's really something where you can tell people, well, hey, I have a Facebook group. If you want to learn more about this, if you want to have more personal contact, one-to-one with me, or, in a community with me, then join my Facebook group. It's not really one-to-one. It's more, more direct personal access to me. Join my Facebook group. And that will build a little community. And occasionally you can make a post, for instance, I'll just give you an example. I recently made a post. There was a special offer for an autoresponder. They were making a special offer. It was just here. I think, there you go. So, just around the 14th of February, a few days before, for Valentine's Day, there was a special offer for a tool that we really need in affiliate marketing, in my niche, right? So I made a post and, I put a link in that post to this special offer. It was really a good deal, and quite a few people clicked the link and signed up. So of course, don't use your group to spam offers and constantly, but you can definitely occasionally, when there's a good offer, or you're selling your own product, and you've made a change to your own product, you want to inform your community of of it and say, you know, I changed it, I made it better. Maybe you give them a discount code for a few days or whatever. You can announce that. Of course, you know, you email people on your email list, but you can also announce it in your Facebook group, and that it will reach more people, you know, obviously. So that's my take on a Facebook group. I think it's a very valuable resource to have. It's a great thing to build. It does take time, it does take commitment, so don't overwhelm yourself. If you're just starting out, I would just go with posting on your wall, and adding friends and going in groups. But once you experience with that, I would encourage you to create your Facebook group and make the most of that. I do think that it will bring you, you know, some extra valuable income.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. Now, before you go, just remember, this is video number 9 in a series of 10 videos. And this Facebook free marketing strategy only works if you implement all the steps. So make sure you watch the first videos if you missed them, and make sure you stay tuned for video number 10 that will be published next Monday. In the meantime, if you have any questions, if you need any help, just post your questions in the comments, in a comment below this video, or you can also click the link in the pinned comment below this video to join my Facebook group. I'm in there every day and I will help you out, obviously. So, see you next Monday for video number 10, the last one in this series about getting free leads from Facebook. Bye for now.